after effects of the winter storm. And like I always, idiot maintenance plows me in. Oh yeah, I'm not going to be able to get in there.
Well, if I have to stay, I gotta stay.
No. That's not going to make a difference. It's going to be the same thing tomorrow. Like always, maintenance plows me in. Seven News said we only have about 8 inches to full of crap. We got about a foot. Hey. Big pile over there. Here in Ogdensburg, New York. It's our first main snowstorm of the season. Guess we're under control. I would have never had to go out tonight. It's still snowing. I don't know how I'm going to get in my truck because housing authorities are always unresponsible. It plows me in. I'll run out to the next one.